Alright, let's dive into something that's been buzzing in the Disney community lately, the World Celebration Gardens at EPCOT and its infamous light-up pavement. Now, if you've been following along, you know this isn't just a minor hiccup, it's a full-blown saga. Personally, I think this situation is a perfect example of how even the most magical places can stumble when it comes to execution. So, let's break it down and explore what's really going on here. First off, the hook. Imagine walking through EPCOT, one of the most innovative and forward-thinking parks in the world, only to stumble, literally, over a cracked, malfunctioning light-up pavement. What makes this really interesting is that this isn't just a small aesthetic issue, it's a symbol of something bigger. The light-up pavement was supposed to be a nod to EPCOT's nostalgic past, a tribute to the old future world. But instead of evoking nostalgia, it's become a headache. From my perspective, this raises a deeper question: how do you balance innovation with practicality? Disney is known for pushing boundaries, but sometimes, it feels like they're trying to run before they can walk. Now, let's talk about the specifics. The World Celebration Gardens opened in December 2023, and almost immediately, the problems started. Sections of the lights went dark, others didn't sync with Spaceship Earth, and the plastic covers began to warp and crack. One thing that immediately stands out is the makeshift solutions Disney tried, like using random screws to hold down the light strips. I mean, come on, this is Disney we're talking about, not a DIY home project. What this really suggests is that even the most well-intentioned ideas can fall apart without proper planning and testing. What many people don't realize is that the original light-up pavement from Future World didn't have these issues. The technology was different, and it worked seamlessly. So, why did Disney decide to reinvent the wheel? In my opinion, it's a classic case of over-engineering. They wanted to create something new and exciting, but in doing so, they overlooked the basics. If you take a step back and think about it, this isn't just about lights, it's about the tension between innovation and reliability. Disney's ambition is admirable, but sometimes, less is more. Now, the latest update is that part of the gardens is blocked off, and there's speculation that Disney might either repair or remove the light-up pavement entirely. Personally, I think removing it would be a missed opportunity. The concept itself is fantastic, a glowing EPCOT logo underfoot. Yes, please. But the execution has been a disaster. What makes this really interesting is the potential for a redemption arc. If Disney can fix this, it could become a testament to their problem-solving skills. But if they give up, it'll be a reminder that not every idea can be saved. A detail I find fascinating is how this situation reflects broader trends in theme park design. Parks are increasingly relying on technology to create immersive experiences, but with that comes the risk of technical failures. From my perspective, this is a wake-up call for the industry. Innovation is great, but it needs to be grounded in practicality. What this really suggests is that sometimes, the old ways are the best ways, or at least, they're more reliable. So, where do we go from here? Personally, I'm hoping Disney takes this as a learning experience. They've got the resources and the talent to make this work, but they need to slow down and get it right. What many people don't realize is that these kinds of failures can actually make Disney stronger in the long run. It's all about how they respond. If you take a step back and think about it, this isn't just about a few broken lights, it's about the future of theme park design and Disney's role in it. To wrap this up, I'll leave you with a thought: what does this situation say about our expectations of Disney? We hold them to an incredibly high standard, and rightfully so. But maybe, just maybe, we need to give them a little grace when they stumble. After all, even the most magical places have their off days. So, what do you think? Should Disney fix the light-up pavement or remove it entirely? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of theme parks. Until next time, keep the magic alive.